Ever found yourself in a Grab ride, your Grabpay balance dwindling, and wished you could just swipe your debit card? Well, let's dive into that question. Can you pay Grabpay with a debit card? Grabpay has revolutionized the way we commute, order food, and make payments in Southeast Asia. It's convenient, cashless, and offers a myriad of perks. But what about its flexibility? Can it accommodate traditional payment methods like debit cards? Addressing the core question. Short answer, it depends. The ability to use a debit card with Grabpay varies across different regions and countries. While some regions allow direct debit card payments, others may require you to link your debit card to a digital wallet or use a third-party payment service. Factors influencing debit card usage with Grabpay. Region and country. Southeast Asia, and countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia, direct debit card payments are often supported. Other regions, for regions where direct debit card payments aren't available, you might need to explore alternative methods. Grabpay's partnership with banks. Grabpay frequently partners with local banks to offer seamless payment experiences. Check if your bank is a partner to see if you can link your debit card directly to your Grabpay account. Third-party payment services. If direct debit card payments aren't supported, consider using third-party payment services like PayPal or other digital wallets. These services often offer the flexibility to link your debit card and make payments through Grabpay. How to check your region specifics. Consult the Grab app. The Grab app is your go-to source for the latest information. Check the payment options available in your region. Visit the Grabpay website. The official Grabpay website provides detailed information about supported payment methods. Look for specific details about debit card usage. Contact Grab support. If you're still unsure, reach out to Grab's customer support. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information. Additional tips. Keep your Grabpay account funded. Regularly top up your Grabpay account to ensure you have sufficient funds for your rides and transactions. Utilize Grabpay's perks. Take advantage of Grabpay's rewards, discounts, and promotions to maximize your savings. Stay updated on payment options. As Grabpay continues to evolve, keep an eye on updates and new payment features. While the ability to pay Grabpay with a debit card directly may vary, there are often alternative methods to ensure a smooth payment experience. By understanding the factors influencing debit card usage and exploring available options, you can make the most of Grabpay's convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.